gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are about to approach to MACD, and we're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI, but we're still below the 200 moving average, this green line acting as our temporary resistance at price of $1,813. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in slightly negative MACD. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $163.73, and that is this range here. My stop target is at $171.53, and my stop loss is at $161.05. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $173.79, and that is this range there. My stop target is at $166.50, and my stop loss is at $176.64. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 44% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, 11% chance to climb between 3 to 6%. To the downside, has a 44% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.